In today's video, we are going to show you how to play Blitz games on chess.com, which is perfect if you like fast, exciting chess where every second counts. Let's begin. Now, open chess.com and log in using your credentials, and then hover to the left side panel of your dashboard. You might want to go to the option that says Play Online. If you want, you can also choose Play Bots or Play Coach, but my preference is to click Play Online. From here, there is a drop-down menu where you can choose the Blitz option. Now, Blitz is a fast time control format where each player has only a few minutes to play the entire game. So you have multiple options. 3 minutes is equivalent to a 3:10, no increment. 3:2 is 3 minutes plus 2 seconds added after every move. And the 5 minutes is equivalent to 5:0, no extra time per move. Okay? Now, for example, we chose the 3 minutes. Okay? Blitz means speed chess, and you must think and move very quickly because the clock pressure is part of the challenge. Now, from here, all I have to do is start the game. It may take a little while. Now, it's time for you to move. As you may notice, that chess.com will automatically pair with you with another player. Blitz is fast-paced, usually have only 3 to 5 minutes in total, so focus on quick development and simple plan. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to play Blitz and chess.com. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.